There. One fish. There is one fish.
There. There are 3 books.
There. There is one bed. There. 4. There are 4 keys. There. 1. There is 1 cup.
There. There are 6 eggs.
How many fish are there? There are 3 fish. How many keys are there?
There are 4 keys.
How many police officers are there? There are 2 police officers. How many apples are there? There is 1 apple. I have yellow flowers.
We have white flowers.
You have blue flowers. You have blue flowers.
You have red flowers. The girl is wearing a t-shirt. The boy is not wearing a t-shirt. The woman is wearing shoes. The man is not wearing shoes.
How many plates do you have?
2 plates. I have 2 plates.
How many cups? Have. How many cups do you have?
We have 4 cups.
Who is wearing shoes? I am wearing. I am wearing shoes. Who is wearing a hat?
We are wearing hats. Who eating? Who is eating? The police officer is eating. Who reading? Who is reading? The students are reading.
Who? The newspaper. Who has the newspaper? The doctor has the newspaper. Who? The books. Who has the books? The girls have the books.
What is this? A tree. This is a tree. How many keys are there? 4. There are 4 keys.
Do you have fish?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Writing.